Hey everyone, this is Scott. I post lots of videos like this, reviews of products and home improvements, so please subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. So today I'm going to give you a review of this LED downlight. It's a can light. It's for retrofit, and it's for 5 to 6 inches. So, like a lot of people, we have these lights in the kitchen. They're great, they're really bright. We bought this house and the lights that were already in here were very, very yellow. And so I've actually been meaning to switch them out for a long time. I think they were 2700 K, which is color temperature. So kind of the traditional orange, yellowy light that we're all used to. And so I hunted online. And I found these. And there's a couple of things that were really important. So one, CRI of 90. So color rendering index is just how much color depth will be visible from the light. And a lot of the sort of earlier LED lights and even the fluorescent tube lights, I forget what they're called, the compact fluorescent bulbs, they had a very low CRI, which is one reason why we all thought they were terrible. So 90 is actually really good and gives a very nice effect. So anytime you're buying LED lights, look for a high CRI, definitely 90 or better. And the other thing I wanted to do was install probably a 3000K bulb, and 3000K, that's color temperature. 3000 is a little whiter, but it's not like really harsh. When you get up to 4000 or 5000 K, it's very harsh, bright white light, which is great in some situations, like an airport, but it's not so nice around the house. So what was really cool about these ones, and I've actually installed them all, so I can't show you the thing itself, but on the back of the light, there's a selector switch. You can choose 5 different color temperatures. That is awesome because, to be honest, it's really hard to get the color temperature right. I originally started, when I put these in, for 3500. I thought that'd be nice. It's a kitchen, it'd be a little whiter, a little brighter. But after a few days, what I noticed was when I looked around the rest of the house, because all the rest of the house here is using 3000K. And so when I looked around, I kind of noticed with the kitchen set at 3.5, that everything else suddenly looked very yellow. So, here's another tip for you. Try and have the same color temperature throughout the house. I think it gives for a much better effect. And so, yeah, after a few days, I took them out again. And I just changed the switch back to 3000 and perfect. Whiter than what I had before. And the amazing thing was, these were only about $11 each. I kind of feel like Amazon mispriced them, but they work great. I'm really happy with them. For comparison, I haven't switched out these lights yet. So you see the under counter lights? That's an IKEA LED strip, and it's 2700 color temperature. Yeah, you can't really see, but it's super yellowy in real life. You might see better if I turn the lights back on. The ceiling lights are definitely whiter. This light over the microwave is 4000K. It was difficult to get bulbs of the right color. Anyway, the long and the short of it is, these are super flexible. You have 5 different color temperatures. You can mess around with them, see what works for you in your house and what you prefer. And they were super cheap. So fantastic upgrade. Even though they actually produce the same lumens, this is 1100, as the previous lights I took out, which were also LED. These were actually a lower wattage, so they're more efficient. The ones I took out were 17 watts, these are 14 watts. So that's great. I'm saving a little bit on electricity as well. So I can't say enough about these. I think they're awesome. a great upgrade. Thanks for watching. If you like this, yeah, click like and please subscribe. I post regular videos like this reviewing home improvement products and DIY projects. So thanks again.